prawn fried rice. Now we're going to use the Japanese rice for this dish. You can use basmati or jasmine, but Japanese rice gives you a beautiful icky taste, which is what we have. I got a knife and I have homegrown spring onions, but that's why it's a bit sloppy. Slice them into small pieces. So I'm gonna just slice nice and thinly. Remember the hand position I taught you. Straight. Okay guys, time to chop our garlic. Oh, before we do the bang bang blitz, we have to slice the head off. Or is it on my head? That's good. Yeah. Now slice it, as I say, this way, not this way. Not the way I cut off the head, the other way. Okay, it's done, so I'm going to put it in my bowl. Prawn time! I'm going to get my big giant prawn. Remember, pull off the head bit. There's a giant prawn. And start from the legs and work all the way to the top. Like you're taking off your shirt. Start on the legs. Woohoo! You want to tell me, be very careful which you get. And cut the top again. Don't go. Then you'll cut your prawn in half, which is we don't want. You can just dice it up a bit, but I prefer the whole thing, so your photo is brilliant. And let's start cooking. Look at how beautiful prawn. Look at this. Let's cook! Now I'm going to turn on the pan. About 1 tablespoon. Now, garlic is easy to burn, so we pop in our onions first. Onion. Garlic time. Stir. Garlic lightly brown, then that's okay. And prawn time. Once the garlic is pinky, we're gonna add our Shaoxing lime. That's okay. Shaoxing lime time. Half tablespoon. Rice. You have to add in, that's 2 cups of rice. You have to add in the rice quickly because the Shaoxing lime will quickly dry up. Now, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Mix it up properly. The Japanese rice is a bit hard to mix up because, you know, it's sticky and you want to stick together. So you have to try to break it up a bit. That's it. I lowered the temperature because I don't want my rice to burn because it's already cooked. Before we heat up the temperature, we need a crack of pepper. Done. How much you like, decide. And we need high temperatures. I'm going to mix it properly, then we're going to give it a quick taste. Let's taste a bit, see if the flavors are right. A bit of salt. All done. Okay, it's almost done, but we are missing one ingredient. Spring onion, let's chuck it in. All of it. Mixy, a little twist and turn. The thing is, you have to keep on mixing. If your temperature is on high, you better keep on mixing because this ham can quickly heat up, then our rice will become like then. Pan off, time to need a plate up now. That's still time. A delicious prawn fried rice. This is awesome. Even though it's without egg, it's incredible. Okay, I mean, it's tasty, it has berries, it's just flavor best. Bye, see you next time. I'm telling you, you just gotta try it. Once you eat it, you just can't stop.